So, recycling code number one. What are number one plastics? Number one plastics are coded as PETE or simply PET. PET plastic. That stands for polyethylene terphthalate. Okay, what the heck is that? Polyethylene terphthalate, PETE, is made from a carboxylic acid, and this is terphthalic acid, plus ethylene glycol. And they take this, make sure that's an O, and they take this and they heat these two materials up incredibly hot. I mean, show no mercy, heat the daylights out of it. And what you get, I'm going to draw this a little strangely, is, so here's our terphthalic acid connected to the rest of the chain. So here, this is our polymer. And so you can see our acid, or what was our acid, it's now a diester, formerly a diacid. And then here are the two carbons for ethylene glycol, e.g. So this is terphthalic acid is essentially a bis electrophile. Both carbonyls are weakly electrophilic, and ethylene glycol is a weak bis nucleophile. Now, how do you get a weak electrophile and a weak nucleophile to react together? Typically, that's a no-no. It's a really slow reaction. Well, I'll tell you how we get it done. We heat it really hard. I had an old lab mate used to call this thermal encouragement. You just hit it hard enough. It's called the bigger hammer theory. If the hammer doesn't work, you hit it harder. So thermal encouragement. I love that phrase. Okay, so what kind of polymer is this? This is a condensation polymer. This model of taking an acid derivative, in this case a dicarboxylic acid is your bis electrophile with some bis nucleophile, that fits our model for a condensation polymer. So PET plastics, number one plastics, are made from their condensation polymer. Where do you find PET? Well, you find PET mostly in carbonated beverage bottles. Carbonated beverage bottles. This polymer can be made to be extremely strong, and you need that strength to contain the carbonation in these high pressure bottles. So every time someone throws away their bottle of their favorite carbonated beverage, it's certainly made out of PET plastic, and that is a number one plastic.